Imagine AI that doesn't just read text but understands images, hears sound, and even creates videos all at once. Ready to dive into the world where AI becomes truly multi talented? Multimodal generative AI refers to systems that interpret and create content across diverse data types, from written words to pictures, sounds, and moving images. It's like having an AI that can write a book, illustrate it, narrate it in multiple languages, and bring it all to life. This synergy of text, imagery, and sound creates richer experiences, helping AI understand context like never before, making digital interactions feel more natural and intuitive. For instance, I can not only write a story, but also provide illustrations and read it out loud in different languages. Virtual assistants become smarter by understanding emotions through your voice and facial cues. In media, AI creates music, videos, and personalized ads that speak uniquely to each audience. From personalized healthcare diagnostics that analyze medical images and genetic data to autonomous vehicles that interpret diverse sensor inputs for safety, multimodal AI is revolutionizing various sectors. Education and marketing also benefit by offering richer and more personalized experiences through multiple data formats. This technology is a giant leap toward AI systems that think and interact like humans, enabling immersive digital environments and smarter assistants. It's transforming creativity, education, and communication worldwide. In summary, multimodal generative AI blends diverse data types to create AI empowered with richer understanding and creation capabilities, impacting countless facets of life and business. Ready to explore, create, and share knowledge in the era of AI? Join the social learning network Instancy.ai today, where innovators and learners come together to thrive with the power of AI. Create, connect, and lead the future.